This video is to show you a demonstration of one of our Cooking Matters recipes called Snacks in a Snap. It's a way to let kids help you in the kitchen make a tasty snack and get them to try something new, get a vegetable in them, and have a little fun in the kitchen. This cucumber came from our raised bed gardens that our kids, our Junior Master Gardener kids, helped grow. It's a nice activity you can have kids do, help you in the garden. So you just slice up a cucumber. This one's called Cucumber Sammy, a fun little name for a cucumber sandwich. Slice the cucumber and cut it into about 1/8 of an inch slices. You can have the children help you top with an egg salad, tuna salad, avocado crunch, which is another recipe in our Cooking Matters book, or turkey and cheese, ham and cheese, or anything you can think of that kids might like on a regular sandwich. Just substitute the cucumber slices for bread and have fun with it.